Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing industries worldwide by enhancing diagnostics in healthcare, automating financial processes, and personalizing customer experiences in retail. It optimizes manufacturing operations, streamlines logistics, and improves education outcomes. In agriculture, AI aids in precision farming and crop management, while transforming energy sectors with smart grid solutions and renewable energy optimization. Media and entertainment benefit from AI-driven content recommendations and virtual experiences, while telecom companies leverage AI for network optimization and customer service automation. Government services use AI for policy analysis and citizen engagement, and HR and recruitment are enhanced with AI-powered talent management tools. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the gaming and entertainment sector with innovative solutions from leading companies. NVIDIA uses AI for real-time graphics rendering and enhancing gaming experiences. Unity Technologies applies AI for game development tools and interactive content creation. Electronic Arts EA leverages AI for player behavior analysis and game personalization. Sony Interactive Entertainment uses AI for game design innovation and virtual reality experiences. Microsoft Xbox integrates AI for enhancing game performance and multiplayer experiences. Ubisoft employs AI for game procedural generation and player engagement analytics. Activision Blizzard applies AI for in-game analytics and matchmaking. Tencent uses AI for mobile gaming and social platform integration. Artificial intelligence is transforming the human resources and recruitment sector with innovative solutions from leading companies. LinkedIn uses AI for talent acquisition, job matching, and professional networking. IBM Watson applies AI for candidate screening and interview scheduling to streamline recruitment processes. HireVue uses AI-powered video interviews and assessments for candidate evaluation. Workday leverages AI for workforce planning, talent management, and HR analytics. ADP provides AI-driven solutions for payroll processing and human capital management. SAP SuccessFactors uses AI for employee performance management and career development. Cornerstone On Demand offers AI-powered learning management and talent development solutions. Ultimate Software uses AI for personalized HR services and employee experience enhancement. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the real estate sector with innovative solutions from leading companies. Zillow uses AI for property valuation and real estate market analysis. Compass applies AI for personalized property recommendations and market predictions. Redfin leverages AI for real-time housing market data analysis and pricing strategies. Trulia uses AI-powered algorithms for neighborhood insights and housing trends. Roofstock provides AI-driven solutions for real estate investment property analysis and management. Opendoor uses AI for automated home valuations and seamless property transactions. RealPage offers AI-powered property management solutions and tenant screening services. Knock uses AI for streamlining the home buying and selling process. Artificial intelligence is transforming government and public services with innovative solutions from leading companies. Palantir Technologies uses AI for data integration and analysis to support government agencies in decision-making. Microsoft applies AI for smart city initiatives and public safety solutions. IBM Watson assists governments with AI-driven insights for policymaking and citizen services. Amazon Web Services, AWS, leverages AI for public sector applications, including data analytics and citizen engagement platforms. Oracle uses AI for improving government efficiency through digital transformation and cloud services. Accenture applies AI for digital identity solutions and cybersecurity in public services. SAP integrates AI for optimizing public finance management and operational efficiency. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the telecommunications sector with innovative solutions from leading companies. AT&T uses AI for network optimization and predictive maintenance, enhancing service reliability. Verizon applies AI for customer service automation and personalized marketing. Huawei employs AI for network intelligence and improving 5G deployment efficiency. Ericsson uses AI for network management and enhancing mobile broadband performance. Nokia leverages AI for predictive analytics and automated network operations. Cisco provides AI-driven solutions for cybersecurity and network traffic management. T-Mobile uses AI for customer behavior analysis and network planning. Orange Group applies AI for improving service delivery and customer experience. Artificial intelligence is transforming the media and entertainment sector with innovative solutions from leading companies. Netflix uses AI for content recommendation and personalized streaming experiences. Spotify applies AI for music recommendation and personalized playlists. Adobe employs AI for video editing and content creation tools. Google's DeepMind uses AI for improving video compression and streaming quality. TikTok leverages AI for content moderation and personalized video recommendations. Sony Pictures uses AI for script analysis and predicting box office success. OpenAI provides AI tools for generating creative content, including music and artwork. Affectiva uses AI for emotion recognition in audience engagement. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the legal and compliance sector with innovative solutions from leading companies. Ross Intelligence uses AI for legal research and case law analysis, improving efficiency for law firms. Kira Systems applies AI to contract review and analysis, accelerating due diligence processes. Luminance offers AI-powered solutions for legal document review and regulatory compliance. NextLP applies AI for e-discovery and litigation analytics, aiding in legal investigations. Blue Prism provides AI-driven robotic process automation for compliance tasks and data privacy. Neota Logic offers AI-powered applications for legal advice and compliance automation. Artificial intelligence is transforming the energy sector with innovative solutions from leading companies. General Electric, GE, uses AI for predictive maintenance and optimizing energy efficiency in power plants and turbines. Siemens applies AI to smart grid technology for efficient energy distribution and management. DeepMind, a subsidiary of Alphabet, uses AI to optimize energy usage in data centers. Enel Green Power uses AI for renewable energy forecasting and grid management. Schneider Electric leverages AI for energy management and automation solutions. Vestas employs AI for wind turbine optimization and maintenance scheduling. ABB uses AI for industrial automation and energy efficiency solutions. Advanced Microgrid Solutions, AMS, applies AI to predictive analytics for energy infrastructure maintenance. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing agriculture through innovative solutions from leading companies. John Deere uses AI for precision farming, optimizing crop yields and reducing resource usage. Trimble applies AI to farm management software for efficient planning and monitoring. Climate Corporation, a subsidiary of Bayer, uses AI for weather data analysis and predictive analytics to support farmers' decisions. IBM Watson assists in agricultural decision-making with data-driven insights and predictive modeling. Taranis employs AI for precision agriculture, using imagery and data analytics to detect crop diseases and optimize treatments. Blue River Technology, part of John Deere, uses AI-powered robots for weed control and crop management. Precision Hawk offers AI-driven drone solutions for crop scouting and field analysis. Artificial intelligence is transforming education with innovative solutions from leading companies. Coursera uses AI for personalized learning pathways and course recommendations. Duolingo leverages AI to adapt language lessons to individual learning paces. IBM Watson assists in creating intelligent tutoring systems and personalized education plans. Newton employs AI for adaptive learning technologies, tailoring content to students' needs. Google Classroom integrates AI for smart grading and enhancing classroom management. Microsoft's AI solutions support personalized learning experiences and educational analytics. Artificial intelligence is transforming transportation and logistics with innovative solutions from leading companies. Tesla uses AI for autonomous driving technology, enhancing vehicle safety and efficiency. Waymo, a subsidiary of Alphabet, focuses on self-driving cars and improving urban transportation. IBM Watson assists in optimizing supply chain logistics and route planning. Uber employs AI for ride-hailing and efficient fleet management. NVIDIA provides AI-powered systems for autonomous vehicles and smart infrastructure. FedEx uses AI for package tracking, delivery optimization, and predictive maintenance. Amazon leverages AI for efficient logistics and drone delivery systems. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing manufacturing with innovative solutions from leading companies. Siemens uses AI for predictive maintenance, optimizing equipment uptime and efficiency. GE Digital leverages AI for smart manufacturing, improving production quality and reducing downtime. NVIDIA provides AI-powered solutions for visual inspection and quality control. IBM Watson assists manufacturers with supply chain optimization and process automation. FANUC uses AI for intelligent robotics, enhancing precision and productivity on the factory floor. Rockwell Automation integrates AI for real-time analytics and automated decision-making. Mitsubishi Electric uses AI for advanced automation and process optimization. Artificial intelligence is transforming retail through innovative solutions from leading companies. Amazon uses AI for personalized shopping experiences, inventory management, and delivery optimization. Google's AI-driven analytics optimize pricing, customer insights, and ad targeting. IBM Watson assists retailers with demand forecasting, customer engagement, and personalized recommendations. Salesforce leverages AI for personalized marketing, customer relationship management, and sales predictions. Alibaba employs AI for smart logistics, personalized shopping, and fraud detection. Vicenzi uses AI for visual search, image recognition, and product recommendations in retail. JD.com integrates AI for smart warehouses, automated fulfillment, and supply chain optimization. Artificial intelligence is transforming finance with innovations from leading companies. IBM Watson enhances risk management and fraud detection. Google's AI optimizes investment strategies and personalized banking. Palantir applies AI to big data analytics for financial institutions. Zest Finance improves credit underwriting and risk assessment. Kensho provides AI-powered financial analytics. Darktrace uses AI for cybersecurity, protecting financial services from threats. DataRobot automates machine learning for predictive analytics in finance. AlphaSense analyzes market trends and financial data using AI. Ayasti leverages AI for anti-money laundering and regulatory compliance. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare through leading companies like IBM Watson Health, enhancing clinical decision-making and patient care. Google Health improves medical imaging analysis and personalized healthcare solutions. DeepMind Health focuses on medical image analysis and disease prediction. Tempus personalizes cancer treatment with AI and machine learning. Zebra Medical Vision aids early disease detection with AI-powered medical imaging. PathAI enhances pathology diagnostics. Artery specializes in AI-driven medical imaging diagnostics. Ada Health offers AI-powered health assistance. Babylon Health provides virtual healthcare services. Olive streamlines healthcare operations with AI and RPA.